Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Yumi James. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell for you to get notified whenever I post a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my nails at home. Okay guys, so these are the things that you're going to need. You're going to need a glue, a foil of course, your choice of toothpicks, and your nails. Everything will be down in the description box. So I'm starting by foiling my nails. So now I'm gonna size each nail up, you know what I mean. Okay, so the nails that I'm using, I am using this nail from a beauty supplier, and they are long stiletto shaped, and I love them. I absolutely love long nails and sharp nails, you know. Okay, now I am gonna take my glue and stick that nail on. And I'm gonna press it for 5 seconds to 10 because you want your nails strong, not so weak. Okay, so the last step, I'll be using my Wet n Wild Shine nail color. So it's in the color, it is colorless and it has glitters. I really love these glitters, and I think I'm gonna end this video right here right now. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to recommend to your friends. Don't forget to comment if you have a question. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.